Do you recognize this book? Yes, it's The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. This book talks about how life began in water and then evolved into multicellular organism. So, the aquatic animals started evolving by changing their body, shape, color, and then became worms, then to four-legged animals, and then to the human beings, who also kept developing intellectually and physically with time. Darwin was a scientist and a zoologist who began his sea journey towards Latin America. During his travel, he kept on studying different animals, fossils, flowers, fruits, and men from the different islands he crossed and noted them down on his notebooks. Later, when he reached England, he shared his views with his fellow scientists and they concluded life evolved in water in the form of simple single-cell creature over hundreds of years. This single cell then evolved into complex multicellular organism. The 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu tallies exactly with Darwin's theory of the evolution of different species. The first avatar is the matsyaavatar. Now, the mythological stories of each of the avatars are narrated in different videos. The links shall be provided above. The matsyaavatar is an example of how life originated first in the sea. Fish is the first vertebrates. Then we have the kurmaavatar, that is the tortoise. After Matsya, life evolved as amphibians who could survive both on land and in water. After this, we have the Varaha avatar or the boar. This stage marks complete transition from water to land after the mammals have evolved as amphibians in Triassic period. After the Varaha avatar, we have the Narshimha or Nrsimha avatar. He is half man, half lion, which signifies the evolution of man from beast as pre-human without a well-developed brain and partial ability to walk on legs. This time they have qualities of an animal. That's why Narshimha is a ferocious avatar of Lord Vishnu. Then we have the Diropithecus, Australopithecus afarensis and homoerectus. They are mentioned in our scriptures like Ramayana as Vanaras like Hanuman, Bali residing with apes and monkeys in the forest, who played an important part in helping Lord Ram to rescue Ma Sita. Then we have the Vamana avatar, that is the dwarf, where life transforms from an ape to human, although short in height but with developed intelligence. Often in our history classes, we have talked about how the humans have developed over time and they have invented tools and other weapons to help them in agriculture and hunting. So, in Parasuram avatar of Lord Vishnu, we find homosapiens who are as tall as present-day humans and can use tools and arms similar to an axe and bow that is seen in the hands of Parasuram. At this stage, the humans had wavering mind and acted without logic. He was often driven by anger and was very impulsive in his decisions. Until civilization hits mankind and we have Lord Ram, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Ram is a civilized man with strong sense of moral code and decorum to work in civil society. Next, we enter the agrarian society with Lord Krishna, the cowherd boy who lived in Vrindavan, the people of which were dependent on agriculture and cattle rearing for their livelihood. Sri Krishna here is an example of an intelligent man who is capable of choosing sides as per right and wrong. He is the most advanced avatar of Lord Vishnu who talks not only about spiritual development but also discusses strategies about winning a war. Lord Vishnu in his Buddha avatar represents man's attempt to find peace and strive towards moksha through self-realization. There is a difference in the opinion regarding the ninth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Some says it's the Gautam Buddha, some says it's the Sugata Buddha. Even in Sugata Buddha, we get to see how Sugata is mature enough to help Lord Shiva attain his goal of killing the Asuras who were responsible for destroying the peace of earth. next hero is the Kalkiavatar. He is a future avatar and we don't know how he will be. And this provides an opportunity for you to comment down below and tell what you think of Lord Kalki. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.